Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to make a mango salsa. A mango salsa, it's kachumbari, but with the mangoes. And here are our ingredients that we're going to use today. We have one onion. We have two tomatoes. We have chopped diced mangoes. It's one mango and some salt. Then we are going to use white vinegar and a bowl. Thank you so much for coming back. The subscribers, thank you for always watching. Thank you, everyone. Let's begin our video. Our first step, we'll just put the mangoes inside the bowl. Then I'm going to dice up the onion into little pieces. We don't want it to be big pieces. I'll just basically put the mangoes over this bowl, inside the bowl. Then I put the onions. I dice up the onions. Then I'll be back to show you the next step. Thank you, guys. So, guys, I've already diced up my onions, as you can see. And here's our mango. I'm just going to put in the onions inside I'm just going to mix in the onions and the mangoes and this salt. Then I'll be back. Then after this we are going to dice our tomatoes, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Keep it locked. So, guys, this is our tomato, and we don't want our mixture to be soggy. We don't want our mixture to be soggy. So we are going to remove this part of the tomato, this inside part, like this, as you can see, this part of the tomato. And you're not going to throw it. You can use it when you are cooking your food, this part. So I'm just going to remove them all like this. This part is which makes our tomatoes to be so soggy. And in this case, we don't want our tomatoes to make our kachumbari so soggy. So I'm just going to remove these parts. Do this with all your tomatoes. You see? I'm all done. Now I'm going to chop my tomatoes up into nicely cubed pieces. Like that. Then you add into the mixture. You continue doing that with all your tomatoes. just cutting up to nicely cubed pieces. I'm almost done, guys. So you guys are supposed to give me a name. I should be calling you either my loves, hi beautiful guys, because I'm so confused. So we are done. We'll just put it aside. And we have this beautiful mixture over there. Guys, I had forgotten. We also need our dania, finely chopped dania. Okay, I had forgotten. It's not a must, but it will make your mango salsa to be top notch. So this is our mixture. We have in here our mango. We have in here our diced onions. We have our salt, and we have our diced tomatoes. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add in our dania, and I'm going to add in like 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is 2 teaspoons. This is a teaspoon, guys. I'm going to use this white vinegar. I love it so much. So let me do all. I'm just going to add in my dania and my vinegar. Then I'll be back. This is me. I'm going to add in my vinegar. 2 teaspoons. That's 1 teaspoon. And that's 2 teaspoons. That's enough. I'm now going to give it a nice mixture. A very nice mixture so that everything can incorporate. Well, we have it. This is our end result. This is our end result. It looks so yummy, so yummy. It's a side dish also. You can add in, you can serve it with the rice, with the nyama choma. Let me give it a taste. It's so yummy. The blend of the mango and the vinegar. It's so yummy. Guys, try this. You're going to tell me. This is mango salsa. It's not kachumbari. It's mango salsa. So if you love chili, you can add in your chili in there. This is basically it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything, guys. Share with your people. Let's watch it. It gives me motivation when I see a lot of people are watching. So continue watching, continue sharing. As I told you guys, I'm back with a good consistency. So we'll be dropping a video every Tuesday and Friday. Every Tuesday and every Friday. And as I'm recording this is on a Tuesday, and I can see already our video has premiered, our sandwich video. So guys, continue watching, continue subscribing. I'll catch up with you guys in my next video. If you have anything that you want me to make or try, kindly just comment in the comments down below. Thank you guys, and goodbye. Well, our video doesn't want to end.